Hi, I'm Rhonda Porter. Today is Monday, April 8th, and it's time for my weekly mortgage update. Last week's PCE report and the job reports that came out were not very friendly to mortgage rates. On Friday, we were expecting around 200,000 jobs to be added with the jobs report, and it came in, as you can see here, just over 300,000. This makes it look less likely that the Fed will reduce the Fed funds rate on their upcoming meeting this June. Optimal Blue is reporting that the rates for the 30-year fixed are at 6.888% as of last Friday, April 5th. And keep in mind, this is a lagging report, and so it's not what current rates are, and it is based off an average of the industry that utilizes Optimal Blue for locking in mortgage rates. So I show you this just to give you an idea of where rates are trending, and I've updated this screenshot to show you where rates have been over the past year. Well, we have a lot coming up this week on our economic calendar. Watch for on Wednesday the Consumer Price Index, or CPI, and the Fed minutes will be released as well. Then we also have on Thursday the Producer Price Index, the PPI. Both of these things are items that indicate inflation, and it utilizes a rolling 12-month average to come up with the data for this. And so, for example, March's figures from 2023 are going to drop off this report, and they're going to add in March from 2024. And so it's kind of known that this information is going to probably come out to be inflationary, which may push up mortgage rates if that is the case. Then on Friday, we're going to have the consumer sentiment released as well. So I use MBS Highway to watch the bond market and to get advice on whether or not I should lock, and to share information with you, such as what reports are coming out that may impact the direction of mortgage rates. It really helps me to be informed. And I'm glad for this because on Thursday, I was able to lock in a client before the jobs report was released. And so you can see here, this first red candlestick here is when the jobs report was released and how the markets reacted. And so we did take a hit there with rates. And then this next candlestick here is today. So as I am recording this at about 10:20 a.m., we're down about 17 basis points. And so I would just suggest that when you are selecting a lender to help you with the financing of your next home, to please make sure that you utilize someone who is staying informed about what's going on with the markets. This weekend, I had the opportunity to stop by an open house that's being offered by Kim Mulligan of Eagles and Volkers at a price of $630,000. It's in West Seattle, and it's really a lovely townhome with great parking, and it's really been taken care of. And one thing that we talked about while I was there was how to and buy downs are a great way to help make a home more affordable. So with this scenario, which is based off of the townhome and 10% down and rates from Friday, so these rates are no longer valid, but just to give you an example, we are, the first column is here is the list price without a buy down. But if we add the cost of the buy down, which is roughly $13,500, to the sales price when presenting an offer, and then ask the seller to pay for the buy down, it would actually save the buyer about $562 with this scenario. The next year, the payment would be a savings of $200 a month. And the third year in term, though, the payment would be higher than if they would have just opted for this first column of the 30-year fix. So the goal is typically with the 2-1 buy down is you are someone who thinks that you're going to refinance or possibly even sell, but most likely refinance before you reach that third year and term mark. But it is a great way to help a payment be more affordable, and it is a strategy that you can ask the seller to pay for. So this spotlight is for real estate agents and brokers. So we are having a class at our office next Thursday, April 18th, and it is an all-day class. You're welcome to attend just the morning session or afternoon session, but I hope you attend the whole day. It is $100 for the whole day. We will be serving lunch, and this is about the new zoning laws that are going into effect that are going to dramatically impact our state. So please sign up. Space is limited, and I hope to see you then. I hope you have a great week. And if you know anybody that's looking at buying, selling, or remodeling their home, please reach out to me. I am happy to help them. And if you like this or find this information useful, I hope that you will like, subscribe, and share. Take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.